Scores of people in Irwin, St. James are running low on food and water after a bridge was swept away by floodwaters associated with Hurricane Melissa. Due to several breakaways and blocked roads, access to the community is difficult. Andrea Chisholm and the team walked for hours to hear their stories.
This is a section of the main road leading to the Irwin community in St. James. Trees now serve as boulders.
The journey to St. Irwin is not without its challenges. It takes a lot of skill and agility to maneuver these trees that are blocking the roadway, but we're going to trek on and to see if we can get to our destination.
Over,
round where?
And under, through the mud, around obstacles, on the riverbank. Eventually, we saw this. Multiple trucks and heavy-duty equipment seemingly irreparable. The area was severely flooded. It was once home to trucks that transport sand, stone, and other aggregates, a bleach factory, customs broker, as well as other related businesses.
Right now, my brain mash up. I don't even know what I say, but I say something. Because everything gone. I see me chucking at the riverbed. One of my tank, the way down a Fairfield. One next container, the over in a Fairfield. Never seen nothing like this in all my life. I'm 44.
2 drivers are still missing. While the search continues, a mystery remains unsolved. The nearby house of 70-year-old Ronald McLeod, a.k.a. Yellow, is still standing.
When me look and see water come up on the bed, and me have to stand up on the bed, me say, oh my God, what me I go do? For me can't swim. Water, and if I just drift the water away.
For now, it's survival, breadfruit and coconut water. This dog was reprimanded for his attempts to steal the chicken to complete the meal. We continued the journey, much of the same. For a moment, we thought we were lost, paused a little, and got specific directions.
All right, just to the right around the corner.
That corner was eternal. We're now at a community called Dollar View, now reduced to pennies. Residents told me millions of dollars in cash were washed away.
Container gone. My yellow container. Everything gone. House top gone. Rooftop gone. I can't believe. So I need help.
Help too for infrastructure. A massive breakaway meant one thing: foot traffic. Houses were completely destroyed. It was heart-wrenching to see the spot where Stumpy once called home. He died after refusing to leave his house, which was surrounded by flood waters. The few clothing retrieved from the mud were being washed in a puddle of water in a section of the road. 6 hours later, we made it to Over River. It's also located in the Irwin community.
So where you live?
Well, I live over on this side and I live over on that side. I live on both sides. Yes, so it's a dangerous feeling.
Why? This bridge is no longer over troubled waters.
Remember the phrase made popular by Cliff Twang? Nobody cannot cross it, only who can understand it? Well, it is quite applicable in this situation.
A wire became the life jacket. Those afraid to use it got a piggyback ride. It's now the main route into the community as the bridge on the other side is congested and chaotic.
Because basically, Over River is an island. It's surrounded by the river. So we would have said, no, we're on a deserted island, so we need food and we need things. What we have now, because we stock more DFE storm, so all of that nyam out. In other words, eat out. So everything done, so we're hungry now.
And so several people braved the journey. Those in places such as Lottery, Somerton, Lasham and Dumfries, walking this same route for hours, checking on family members and to get food and other items in Montego Bay. Help in its many forms can never be too much.
No, see there, one suitcase. That your papers, each paper, nothing me have. Everything gone. Everything gone.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.